Hello, good morning friends. We have completed up to 8B in percentage and its application. Now today we are going to start 8C. Here you may see what percentage is. Means you have to firstly convert into fraction and then you will solve. So 7 of 70 means 7 upon 70 into 100. 0 cancel out, 7 cancel out, 10% is remaining. 8 of 32 means 8 upon 32 into 100. So 8 4s are 32 and 4 25s are 100. Then C part, 19 of 25 and 19 upon 25 into 100. 25 4s are 100, 19 4s are 76%. D part, 117 of 650 means 117 upon 650 into 100. 0 cancel out. 13 5s are 65 and 13 9s are 117 and 5 2s are 10. So 9 2s are 18%. Clear? Now see the E part. Now see the E part. 180 of 300 means 180 upon 300 into 100. 0 all will cancel out. 3 6 are 18, that means 60%. Same way 850 of 3400. 850 upon 3400, 0 will be cancelled out. 17 5s are 85 and 17 2s are 34. 2 25s are 50. So what you will get? 25%. Now see the G part. $780 of 1950. 780 upon 1950 into 100. 0 cancel out. Now by 3. 3 6 18, 3 5s are 3 2s are 6, 3 6 are 18. Now 13 20s are and 13 5s are 5 4s are 40%. Clear? 780 upon 1950 into 100. 0 will be cancelled out. 5 20s, 2 60s and 5 65s are 13 5s are and 13 20s are. Now 5 4s are 20. 4 into 10 40%. Clear? Now see the H. 27 of 9. That means 27 upon 9 into 100. 9 3s are 100 3s are 300%. Clear? Clear up till here? Now see question number 2. What percent is? What percent is? A. 40 paisa of rupees 8. So you will have rupees 8 is equal to 800 paise. So you will have 40 upon 800 into 100. 0 cancel out. 8 5s means 5%. B part. 5.10 of rupees 6. 6 upon 5.10 upon 6 into 100. 6 2 3s are 2 50s are 3 1s are 70. 17 5s are 85 rupees 85. Okay, how much you will have? Rupees 85%. Okay, 5.10 upon 6. So 2 3s are 6 and 2 50s are 100. 3 1s are 3 and 27 means 3 7s are 21, 1.70, 17 5s are 85. They will have 85%. Clear? Now see the C part. 400 ml of 1 liter. One liter is equal to 1000 ml. So 400 upon 1000 into 100. It is equal to 40%. What it will be? For 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So 400 upon 1000 into 100, you will get it as 40%. Now see the D part. 8.24 centimeter of 8 meter. 8 meter is equal to 800 centimeter. 8.24 upon 800 into 100. 0 0 cancel out. 8 one side 0, 8 3s 1.03%. Clear? 8.24 means 1.03%. Now see the E part. Six seconds of 10 minutes. So 1 minute is 10 minutes is equal to 10 into 60, 600 second. 6 upon 600 into 100. 0 0 cancel out, 6 6 cancel out, 1%. Clear? 10 minutes is equal to 600 second. So 6 upon 600 into 100. 0 0 cancel out, 6 6 cancel out, it will be equal to 1%. Clear? Now see the F part. 18 hours of a day. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 18 upon 24 into 100. 6 3s are 6, 4s are 4, 25s are means 75%. How much? 18 hours of a day means it will be equal to 75%. Clear? Now see the G part of it. 900 kg of 1.5 ton. So 1.5 ton is equal to 1500 kg. So 900 upon 1500 into 100. 0 0 cancel out. 3 5s are 5, 15, 6 are 90. It will be how much? 60%. 900 kg of 1.5 ton means 1.5 ton is equal to 1500 kg. So 900 upon 1500 into 100. So 0 0 will be cancelled out. 15 6 are 90. So 0, then 60% will be your answer. Till here is it clear to you all? Till here is it clear to you all? Now let's move to question number 3. 18 karat gold is a mixture of gold and another metal. 18 out of 24 parts are pure gold. Express the pure gold as a percentage. Fraction of pure gold. Pure gold. So how much it will be? 18 out of 24 part. So percent of pure gold 18 upon 24 into 100. So 6 3s and 6 4s, 4 25s and 25 3s, 75% is a pure gold. Clear? Fraction of pure gold will be how much? 18 upon 24. And what percent of pure gold will be there? 18 upon 24 into 100. The 25 3s are 75. That is equal to 75%. Is it clear up till here? Any confusion? Now come to question number 4. What is there in question number 4? A CD-ROM has 700 megabyte of storage space. What percent of space is used by a file that takes up 154 megabyte? So, what is the total storage space? Total storage space on CD-ROM. How much? 800 megabyte. Sorry, 700 megabyte storage space used. Used 154 megabyte. Percent of space used. One 54 upon 700 into 100. 0 0 cancel out. 7 2s are 7 2s are means 22% of space is used. How much space is used? 22%. Okay. Total space is used is 24%. Okay, students? Till here it is clear to you all, or still any confusion is there? Okay. Now last question of this exercise. What is the last question of this exercise? As per 2011 census, the population of Sikkim is 6,10,577, out of which 3,23,070 are males. What percent of total population of Sikkim are females? Okay. So now first we will find out the number of females. So question number 5. Total population of Sikkim. Male population. Female population, you will subtract it. Female population, you will subtract 7, 0, 5, 10 minus 3, 7, 10 minus 2, 8, 5 minus 3, 2. 2,87,507. Now percent of female population. What will be the percentage of female population here? 2,87,507 upon 6,10,577 into 100. Clear? Now, what you will do here? How much you should get? You will firstly divide it and then you will lastly multiply it by 100. Okay. Firstly we will divide it and lastly we will multiply it by 100. So what is the female population? 47.1% and male population 100 minus 47.1, that is 52.9%. Okay, how much is female is 47.1 and male is 52.9%. Okay friends, till here it is clear or any confusion? Okay, if any confusion you can ask it about the confusion. Now what is at the last? Till here you have studied only about the population and about the percentage, how to find the percent. Okay, whether it is in the form of fraction or whether you have to convert in fraction and find. Now second you will have about the increase and decrease. Okay, now we are going to stop it here. Thank you friends and have a good day.